Right, a running test after trying to correct a major mistake that I made in building this. I was trying to get away with an absolute minimum of dropper power leads all underneath the tracks, and was working on a minimum, but with all the rail joins being soldered onto copper-clad sleepers, I thought, well, that would suffice. The problem has been that I was working on it at the very high temperatures in the summer, when the steel rails were probably getting up towards about 80 degrees C. Certainly they burnt your fingers. What has happened as everything's cooled down is that of course the track has shrunk, and I started getting some electrical failures. So what I've had to do is actually wire in jumper leads across every rail join, and I've just finished that tonight on this board. So having cleaned up where there was a bit of solder, let's get to that button, change direction. Pushing this many wagons is actually pretty much on the limit. The side pressures on the loco have been making it stall occasionally at lower speeds. We'll see this time if it manages to do the whole section. It sometimes stutters a bit here. Looking quite good. But when you consider the line of draw on bends like this with 5 wagons, it is quite extreme, but it functions. I certainly wouldn't expect it to function with lightweight plastic wagon kits, but these Roxy moulding LBSR white metal and brass wagons are really quite solid and have a very short wheelbase, and yep, they do work. So I now have to get the other board in and do the additional jumper wires. Then I really can in confidence start laying some more of the scenery. But oops, bit of a ruddy dive to catch it if it didn't change direction immediately. Yes, I've been very slow on this of late, and this has been one of the reasons. I just couldn't face the work involved. Not quite sure how I was going to do it, but it's now been done, and it should be 100% reliable. There shouldn't be any breakdowns in track feed. One of these things that can happen to the best of layouts sometimes, but I think I've nipped this problem in the bud. So there we are, one half of Ivor the engine's layout, now more reliable electrically and ready for me trying to do something on scenery. So before this gets to the end and I have to change direction, I shall close down. Thank you very much.